Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joker80. Welcome back to our channel. Yay! That means we have another car video. What is it this time? We got something from Madness Autoworks coming up. Okay, so we got something from Madness Autoworks, and I think they're probably one of the primary leaders in getting aftermarket things for your Alfa Romeos. So if you have a Stelvio, a Giulia, or like me, I have a Alfa 4C. Well, you guys know me, I like to do mods. So let's see what we got today in this box. It can't be too much because it's in this little box. Let's do an open box here. So again, I want to give a shout out to Madness Autoworks for doing what they do. Really giving us things to, you know, making us look forward for things. This is the, surprise, the Go pedal. You're like, dude, what is a Go pedal, man? Look at this. The Go pedal, man, from Madness Autoworks. Quality feels pretty good. It's just a circuit board inside, and nice to harness here. The aluminum harness, man, it's so OEM, so that's quality. And same thing for the connectors, OEM quality. Can't go wrong with that. So it's very solidly built. Let me tell you what the Go pedal is all about. The new Madness Go pedal plus. This is what we have here. So one thing that this is going to help us do is that it's going to help us eliminate throttle lag. Okay, it's going to increase the response in our car, limit the response when someone else is driving, because we can control it. We can disable the pedal, okay, for security, so that no one can take off with your car. And also there's a soft mode version on the app, so that when you give it to a valet, they're not gonna be, flooring it. It has a Bluetooth 4.0 connection. All you do is download their app. I'm gonna be showing you guys their app once we have this thing installed and getting this car on the road and testing this Go pedal. It has encrypted communication, so the communication between the Go pedal plus and the Go pedal app is encrypted, so no one can just kind of hack into your stuff. The 128-bit AES encryption, man, that's awesome. It also has a memory function. So the Go pedal has a built-in memory function so that every last setting remains active on your Go pedal when it's disconnected from your car's battery. So if your battery goes flat, that doesn't mean you have to redo all that stuff again. It's set here. And it has advanced technology. So the Go pedal incorporates the latest automotive self-adjusting technology to ensure precise and fast signal processing. It's here, man. And then there's, so you're gonna have different modes on this thing. What are some of these modes? The first one is Eco. So Eco not only makes soft starts easier in city traffic, and it also reduces maximum fuel consumption at full throttle. So that's cool. And then the next one, you have Sport. So this is the direct response and better acceleration. This has good acceleration already. It's probably gonna be better. We'll test that out. The aggressive characteristic of the Sport mode provides you a completely new and more direct response to the car. And then there's an individual mode, so you can custom map your own map. So you can set it up for my wife or my daughter. And she's not gonna drive this. So us owners of the Alfa Romeo 4C or any Alfa Romeo using the Go pedal, you have full control of your car. Because there's even a kids mode. Yes, kids mode. It offers the ability to reduce performance of your vehicle with a slider. The maximum achievable power of the vehicle can be adjusted between 50% to 100% power. It also protects you because it disables your throttle pedal when you click it under protect. When you choose to protect, it disables your throttle pedal, and you have a built-in security feature that prevents someone from driving away with your car. So in most cases, you can start the car, but you cannot drive it anywhere because the pedal is disabled. Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait to feel the difference in our Alfa Romeo 4C. That's gonna be sweet. All right, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we gotta do is take the negative terminal. Oh my God, it's so easy. Look at that. Oh my God, check that out. Right there, look. It's a quick release. Never seen that before. Pretty sweet. So I just pull this, and let's see how easy the battery terminal comes off. That is it. Look at that. Now we're deep inside the caverns of the Alfa Romeo 4C. As you can see, all these carbon fibers that is surrounding us. Alright, whatever, dude. So, the pedal mount we're looking for is this thing here, which is back there behind the pedal. Brake, right? Gas. So it's back here. Let's connect it to this. Okay, so I went ahead and mounted the Go pedal plus right here on the ledge right here, and that's the wires. That's the connectors. So now let's go ahead and remove the stock connector. Okay, so it's right behind the pedal, and what you're gonna do is lift up this white little get my focus right there, and it'll pop off. Okay, and then now you're gonna get since that's the female connector to this thing, and mount it there. Hear the click. Lock it in place. Tuck it out of the way. Now you're going to get the other connector. Just put tuck it away neatly. Okay. And then what you want to do next is, the next thing you gotta do is go ahead and connect your negative terminal back, okay? Okay, negative terminal is back in place. It's been idling for 90 seconds, now let's try it. It's working, it's revving. Okay. The app is on. If you guys can see right here, it says it's on. We're on eco setting right now. Let's go take it for a spin. Eco mode. So let's try, actually, you know what we could do on slow? Let's try kids. If I put on kids mode here, put it like super low. Okay, so the performance is really low. And I'm stomping on the gas, dude. It's not going. Alright, let's put it up middle. Hey, that's awesome. It works. Turbo is actually kicking in. So let's go to valet now. Hey, let's just do 20%. Oh yeah, I mean, that's to the floor. That's to the floor, guys. That's awesome. Oh, you guys can't see it, man, but it's to the floor. Wow. This is perfect, man. It's like the turbo is not even going to engage on the valet. Okay, so let's go back to eco. Eco now is active again. Instant power comes back. That's just in Eco mode. You guys even heard the turbo spooling there a bit. Okay, so now we're gonna go to sport. Whoa! Okay, so we were on Eco. I put it on. As you guys can see, I kept the same throttle pressure on it, and it just took off. Dude, that is insane. Dude, kudos. Wow. Okay, we're gonna try it again. It's on sport now. Let me get two hands on this thing. Here we go. We can try it. Wow. That is pretty sweet. Okay, now let's shut off the pedal. And okay, on the top, there's a way I can turn it off, and we're gonna downshift a bit here. We'll go to second. Okay, here we go. You know, the car itself is fast enough, and I think it gives you that split second anti-turbo lag, man. That's great. Now I'm gonna turn the pedal back on, and we're gonna do the exact same thing. Turn it on. It's on. We're on sport. Look at that. I mean, Jesus. It just kind of fires at you. So it really takes away that turbo lag, man. It's insane. All right. The same thing. I'm gonna go to second gear. There we go. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoy that. You know what? Let's go back to Eco mode and let's drop this car to dynamic. I mean, get out of dynamics, go back to natural, and put this guy back on Eco mode. There we go. Let's go back to Eco. We're on Eco now. Let's just calm down. Let's calm down, everybody. So if you have a 4C or an Alfa Romeo, man, I urge you to get this pedal, man. It's pretty awesome. And the best part, like what they said, it doesn't change anything in your car, like physically, in a sense that when you install it, you can uninstall it and you're back to stock. You can control it on the app to turn it off and on. That is pretty damn cool, man. That is awesome. I think I am satisfied. Very satisfied with my purchase. That was special, man. That was really cool. You guys saw from my reaction how it, I don't know, when they were saying about like decreasing throttle lag. Yeah, man, the turbo lag and throttle lag, it kicks in right away. The app is really awesome. That's the best part, right? You control it here. You control it right on your phone. All of your controls are here. Like now we're Eco active, we're on. You can shut it off, valet, the kids thing is perfectly awesome. So, man, I hope you guys enjoy that, because I did. And we have more things coming from Madness Autoworks. I just want to give a shout out to those guys. They do put out great things and well-manufactured, well-engineered products for us to have just like this. It's made in Germany, you know, and for Madness Autoworks. And the spacers that we got from them by Athena, made in Italy. So it's not some wonky place that's making these things. And you know, the quality is right behind it. And I am sold on the Go pedal. We have more things coming from Madness Autoworks. I want to give a shout out to all those guys at Madness Autoworks. Jason, thank you, man. Thank you so much for everything. And more videos coming, guys. Hope you guys like it. I'll talk to you later. Bye. I should leave it on valet mode. Next person that drives it. Oh no, no one drives this car except for me. Man, let's park this.